Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 10, Pitpat's Journey. In today's session, children, we will discuss few bits of this lesson. All of you open your textbook. Open textbook page number 77. Here, comprehension. In comprehension, bit A, take the correct words to complete the sentences. So here, few questions are given, options are given. You have to choose the correct option and tick it. So here the first question is, Pitpat was sleeping on a dash. Option A, cloud. Option B, wave. Option C, stream. So where was Pitpat sleeping? On a cloud or wave or in stream? Pitpat was sleeping on a wave. So here option B, wave is the correct answer. Tick it, children. Next, second one. Pitpat and Drip Drop join others to form a dash. Pitpat and Drip Drop join others to form a dash. Option A, storm. Option B, cloud. Option C, rain. So, Pitpat and Drip Drop join others to form a cloud. Here, option B, cloud is the correct answer. Take option B, children. Option B, cloud. Next, third one. The large drops become heavy and fall on earth as dash. The large drops become heavy and fall on earth as option A, thunder. Option B, lightning. Option C, rain. So, the large droplets fall on the earth as option C, rain. Write rain on the blank and tick option C. Next, fourth one. Pitpat and Drip Drop slide down a rock and fall on a dash. Pitpat and Drip Drop slide down a rock and fall on a dash. Option A, mountain. Option B, leaf. And option C, boy. So, both of them, they drop down. They slide down a rock and fall on a leaf. Option B, leaf is the correct answer. Now let's read the correct answers, children. First one, Pitpat was sleeping on a wave. Second one, Pitpat and Drip Drop join others to form a cloud. Third one, the large drops become heavy and fall on earth as rain. Fourth one, Pitpat and Drip Drop slide down a rock and fall on a leaf. Okay. Now next, bit B, write T for true or F for false. If the statement is true, write T on the blank. If the statement is false, write F on the blank. So here the first question is, Pitpat was feeling very cold. Pitpat was feeling very cold. Whether it's true or false, it's false. It was feeling very hot. That's why Pitpat want to go up to the dark cloud. Second one, Pitpat wanted to go to the sun. Pitpat wanted to go to the sun. So where do Pitpat want to go? To the sun? No, to the clouds it want to go. So it's a false statement. Write F on the blank. Third one, the tiny drops join together to form a cloud. The tiny drops join together to form a cloud. True or false? It's true. It's true. All the tiny drops join together to form a cloud. So write T on the blank. Next, fourth one. The large drops become heavy. The large drops become heavy. It's true. All the tiny droplets join together to form a cloud. The droplets have become very large, and the The large droplets become very heavy and fall on the earth as rain. Last fifth one. Pit pat and drip drop fell on a hut. True or false? It is false. Pit pat and drip drop fell on a leaf, not on a hut. Okay? So that is about true or false, children. Now let us read the true or false. Pit pat was feeling very cold. False. Pit pat wanted to go to the sun. False. The tiny drops joined together to form a cloud. True. The large drops became heavy. True. Pit pat and drip drop fell on a hut. False. Now next, bit C, first, second, third question and answers will write in the class book. Now let us write the fourth question here in the textbook. Write the words in the correct order to show the journey of pit pat and drip drop. So here, write the correct option. Write the correct order how the pit pat and drip drop have travelled. Okay, so pit pat first it was in the ocean. From the ocean where it went, it floated in the sky to join the cloud. Okay, to join the cloud. So all the tiny droplets become the large droplets, and these large droplets are very heavy, so they fall on the earth in the form of rain. So pit pat and drip drop has slided over the rock and then fall on the leaf. So they travel in the stream. From the stream water joined in the river, and the river water joined in the ocean. So this is the journey of pit pat. Ocean to cloud, from cloud fall on the rock, from the rock it fell on a leaf, from the leaf how float into the stream, from the stream it float into river, and river it float into ocean. So the story begins in the middle of the ocean and ends in the middle of the ocean. So this is the journey of pit pat and drip drop. Okay children, now with this we'll close today's session. In tomorrow's session we will discuss remaining bits. Now coming to today's your homework children, learn and write bit A, B, C in your textbook. Okay children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.